welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a look with a palette that I just got. It is not a new palette. This palette's been out for a while, but I've not myself been able to purchase it or been able to get my hands on it. I'm not a huge online shopper. I mean, I will if I have to, and sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, but I would prefer to just go into the store and get it myself. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette. It's super colorful. My light is just blinding. That's what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it before, but I'm super excited because I haven't had a chance to play with it yet, and that's what I plan on doing today. I have a bunch of different lashes to choose from. I plan on doing something super colorful, super glam. I'm really, really excited. I have glitter, I have glitter glue, I have all kinds of stuff. So I'm really excited to dive into this. So I'm just gonna get started. My face is already done. I just did the Too Faced Born This Way foundation video. So I figured while my skin was looking good, I might as well hop on here and dive into this and do a video with it. So I'm actually going to, I'm going to prime my eye with, I ran out of, my e.l.f. primer finally kicked the bucket on me. Could get nothing else out of it. And I saw, a tutorial, I can't remember who did it, but they were using the NYX Proof It. This is waterproof eyeshadow primer, and they raved about it. So when I went to Ulta yesterday, I decided to grab some for myself, and so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to apply it to my lid and my crease and above, just like so. It's very tacky. Definitely a lot tackier than the e.l.f., which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I don't know. We'll have to see. I have really high hopes for this palette. I've seen a lot of really beautiful looks with it. So I'm hoping that I have a good experience with it. Not that it was super expensive or anything. I think it was $17.99, and they were having a sale. All NYX Professional things were buy one get one half off. So I really got a good deal on it. But I would like it to be as fabulous as it is in my brain. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this light yellow color right here. I'm excited about the yellows in this palette, and I'm going to go ahead and put that into my crease. Kind of use this as my transition shade. And it is pretty pigmented, I do have to say. I also got a bunch of new brushes. Actually, right now I'm using my Morphe M504. I got so many Morphe brushes, like issue. So many Morphe brushes. I don't know why I felt the need that I had to buy so many Morphe brushes, but in the moment it seemed like the right thing to do, so that's what I did. Yeah, tons of Morphe brushes. All different ones though. I might have gotten 2 of these because these are just like they're big fluffy blending brushes, and can you ever really have too many of those? I don't think so. So I'm gonna do one eye first, and then I will go in and do the same thing to the other eye off camera so that you guys don't have to sit through 2 full eyes. Alright, so what other color should I go in with now? I want to kind of do like a tropical-ish look. Let's go in with this blue right here. I'm going to use a smaller brush to do that. This is the Morphe M505. It's a blending brush again, but it's a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go ahead with that blue, and I'm going to apply it in my crease. And you know what? I might have to take that yellow up a little bit higher. I think I'm going to have to do that. Definitely have to do that. I don't have my glasses on or contacts in, so I'm kind of blind right now doing this. My vision is terrible, but it's kind of late in the day, and I didn't wear contacts to work today, and I didn't want to waste a whole pair of contacts. So I just figured I would just come in and kind of wing it. These colors are pretty pigmented, I do have to say. I'm not mad at it, not even a little bit. I mean, I'm going to bring this a little bit closer just so I can see it a little bit better. The only issue is that it's turning green because I used the yellow. But that's okay. I can live with it. Let's see, what color are we gonna do next? Let's do purple. Go in with this pretty purple right here, this dark one. And I'm just gonna kind of put that over the blue. I want to blend the two in together. I don't care what I get on my lid because I'm going to cut it. I think I'm going to do glitter. And let's just kind of blend these two shades together. I'm going to use the small BH blending brush to just kind of get a good, okay. And then the last color I'm going to go in with, and I'm going to go in with an even smaller blending brush, is this hot pink right here. Yeah, these colors are super easy to work with. They really are kind of fantastic. And then back in with that blue. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of that yellow again and just try to sharpen the top here. The blue got on it, so now it's like kind of a green. That's okay. You know what? Actually, what I'm gonna do is there is a green in here, and I'm actually gonna just apply that over the blue. So that's how that's coming out. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna color switch this brush, and I'm gonna do the yellow. I'm gonna really kind of pack that yellow in right in here, because I feel like now the top is just kind of like a blend of the yellow and the green. I'm just gonna go with it. And all right, so I think that is good for this eye. I'm trying to think of what to do on my lid. I do have some really fun glitter that I could use. I have like bigger glitters, like that size. I don't know if you guys can see them. I just dumped it all over the place, so now there's fucking glitter everywhere. Good one, Amanda. I also have like this little NYX glitter that I could do all over. I think I'm gonna go with like the big glitter. The big glitter. I'm gonna cut my crease. And I'm gonna use my concealer to fix that. Alright, so I do have a white. I have my NYX, my jumbo eye pencil in the color Milk. I just have to kind of clean it a little bit because I used it over some colors the other day and it kind of had color on it. So I'm going to go I'm going to take this blender, and I'm just going to kind of like pat that in. And then I have the pink NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. I don't know if I should do the glitter first or do the eyeliner first. You know what? Fuck it. We'll do the eyeliner first. That's what we're going to do. All right, so I've never used this before, and I'm not totally awesome with this kind of brush, so let's all just cross our fingers and pray that this doesn't turn into a shit show. Okay? Okay. I've had very mixed reviews on these eyeliners. Some people say they love them. Some people say they suck. So I wouldn't say that the eyeliner sucks as much as my ability to do a decent wing at times. And I really just think that that's like where the downfall is that I am a shitty winger. That's basically what it all boils down to. But honest to God, that's adorable. I love that so much. I really, really do. All right, so I'm going to bring these colors up a little bit more. I always underestimate where I'm going to have to cut my crease, always. And I never, ever bring the cut. Someday I'm just going to learn that, okay, if you're going to cut your crease, so you're going to bring your colors up higher. I'll learn that someday. Someday I'm just going to automatically do it. Luckily, these colors are actually really, really easy to work with. They're not difficult at all. They go on really nice. There's not a ton of fallout. I really am happy with this palette. I don't know which glitter I'm going to use or how I'm going to pick it up because I didn't bring down any, what are those things with the cotton Q-tips? I didn't bring down any Q-tips. That's okay. We're going to wing it. We're going to make it work. Don't you dare fall on the floor, bastard. Okay, so this is my glitter glue, and I'm going to take my... This is my BH Cosmetics 106 brush, and it's just, I think it's an eyeliner brush is what it is, but I'm going to use it to apply glue, my glitter glue. Right above my crease. And that is where I'm going to put my glitter. So let's just, for shits and giggles, Okay, that's perfect for this eye. And I have glitter all over my face. All over my face. I'm gonna have to conceal that or something. What are we gonna do about that? We're gonna do concealer over the glitter. Just over the glitter. There we go. No problem. What glitter? There's no glitter there. Okay. So there's that. And then I do have lashes, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I will put on some lashes. So I will be right back. Okay, so here I am. I have applied the glitter to both eyes and lashes on both eyes. I got that part out of the way. The lashes were a giant pain in my ass, per usual. And I have glitter everywhere. Everywhere. It's all over the place. It's like that stuff you put on your Christmas tree, you know, tinsel. I'll be finding it for ages and ages. Okay, so I am going to go, I'm going to put this yellow under my eye. I'm going to do exactly what I did up above, down below. Glitter in my eye. That's good. I'm sure that's very, you know, good for your eye. Glitter. Glitter makes everything better, though. Right? I mean, okay. So I'm gonna go in and do some of a mascara on the bottom lashes. Almost done. People like complained about, and let's put some more of this glue on the back of my hand, and this brush. I'm gonna put glue all right here, and I'm probably gonna regret this, but hopefully it will make for some cute Instagram pictures. Alright, let's pick up some of these. Okay. I think I've tortured myself enough. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna actually do this color lipstick. This is Brill's. This is a ColourPop satin, and it's like a purple. I think it kind of goes with my whole theme. And I think that's it. I think that is it for my super glam look. It's really colorful and sparkly and crazy, and I love it. And I'm gonna go take pictures, and I'm gonna post them on my Instagram, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. I love you all. Bye, guys.